Okay. So I don't know why I didn't think about it until this morning, but um, I had tried the laptop that I actually stopped using because, which is why I got my desktop. I decided to actually try nested VMs, which will be the Cisco modeling labs. Okay, which I'm assuming that's what it's called. And it worked like a champ, no problem whatsoever. Okay, even with the actual um, um, CPU option to have virtualization turned on in VMware. Okay, so what does that tell you? Okay, well, it tells you um, that even in 2025, AMD is making processors that are not fully virtualization. Okay, they might say they do virtualization, but when you really need to do nested VMs, you're not going to be able to do it. So, first of all, okay, I just can't imagine at 3 gigahertz 6 core processor that you're not able to do this. So let's go take a look at this. This is a okay. I think I said 76, 6 core. Okay, this was made 2 years ago. All right, this is ridiculous. Okay, so in reality, if you decide that you want to build yourself a nice virtualization machine, uh, don't do it. Not with this processor. And in fact, um, I'm definitely I'm definitely gonna be working on getting my stuff upgraded and updated because this is just it's unacceptable. It's really just unacceptable. So you know, I don't know how much this processor costs. I mean, it looks like it's a couple $100 on Amazon. But the bottom line is, this is just it's ridiculous. Um, I'm just it just gives me a solid validation on why when I decided to stop using AMD processors and switch over to Intel, that I made the most logical decision ever. So that's enough of my rant and my complaining. But if you're using this processor, you're not going to be able to successfully use like Eve or GNS3 or Cisco Labs because it's not going to allow you to do nesting processing unless there's something wrong with my particular processor. Okay, all right, and trust me, it's not a BIOS settings because I've tested out already. All right, I've shut, I've disabled the virtualization and they just gave me a whole nother error. So I'm telling you, it says virtualization, but I don't believe that this particular processor, and I can only talk about this particular one because this is the one I got. But I guarantee you, I will be going back to Intel so I can do the things that I need to be doing with my studies. So nonetheless, I'll see you guys on the next one.